Porch lights on the glass that gleam. GT3 looking like a dream. Paperwork signed, I'm feeling blessed, but I need that armor on a fresh new flex. I don't gamble with the gloss I got. Take it where they really know the spots. From the dealership we slide and glide straight to Fremont on the outside. That's right. From the Porsche dealership to DoubleTake auto spot. GT3 getting big boss level of protection. Full body PPF to protect the pain. Oh my, DoubleTake auto spot. That's the name to remember.
It's beautiful.
Auto spot. That's the name to remember. So they take care. Say my birthday. From the Porsche dealership to DoubleTake auto spot.
Can't even tell. Beautiful. Check it out. Mirror finish when I hit that sun. Every angle got the haters stunned. Rock chips, nah they don't touch this right. They just slide right off when they try. Detail crazy, that attention deep. Fremont, baby, that's where I keep all my whips looking born today. They the ones that make the paintwork stay. Yeah, yeah.